Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on the grade 4 science chapter Adaptation in Animals part 2, and the contents will be adaptation for food, adaptation to climate, adaptation for defense, adaptation in behavior. First we will see adaptation for food. Fill in the blanks. Plant eating animals or herbivores have straight edged teeth in the front to bite grass and broad teeth at the back to grind the leaves to fine paste. Give few examples for herbivores. Example: deer, cow, giraffe, zebra, cow, etc. Flesh-eating animals or carnivores have sharp tearing teeth and strong chewing teeth to tear flesh and chew bones. Flesh-eating animals or carnivores have sharp claws to catch their prey. Give few examples for carnivores. Example: lion, tiger, cat, etc. The beak and claws of the birds are also suited to the type of food they eat. Birds that hunt animals have sharp claws and sharp eyesight to catch their prey. Now we will see adaptation to climate. Fill in the blanks. It is the skin of the animals that help them to protect themselves from the harsh climatic conditions. Animals living in very cold places like the polar region or high mountains have thick fur and a layer of fat under their skin to protect themselves from the freezing conditions they face. Animals living in very hot places like the desert have thick skin with very less hair on their body. The thick skin prevents the loss of moisture, and the absence of too much hair allows the exchange of heat. The layer of fat present below the skin of animals like whales and penguins is called blubber. Reindeers are grazers which consume a lot of moss because it contains anti-freezing chemicals which prevent body fluids from freezing, just like an anti-freezing liquid works in cars in very cold places. Now we will see the answer the following questions. How do the animals living in cold place like the polar region protect themselves from the freezing conditions they face? Answer: the animals living in cold places like the polar region protect themselves from the freezing conditions using their thick fur and the layer of fat which they have under their skin. The fur traps the air and keeps the animal's body warm, whereas the fat under their skin acts like an insulator during winter. Write few ways in which the adaptive features of the animals living in very hot places like the desert help them to survive in the harsh climate. Answer: the few ways in which the adaptive features of the animals living in very hot places like the desert help them to survive in the harsh climate are as follows. Point number 1, the thick skin prevents the loss of moisture, and point number 2, the absence of too much hair allows the exchange of heat. Now we will see the topic adaptation for defense. Fill in the blanks. All animals need to protect themselves from their enemies and remain unseen to the animals they hunt. The color of the skin helps these animals to blend with their surroundings, making it difficult for their enemies and prey to notice them easily. The other name for the adaptive feature, color protection, is camouflage. Animals adapt themselves for food, climate, and defense. The chameleon has the ability to change the color of its skin to the color of its environment. Animals adapt their behavior to the place where they live. According to their habitat, animals can be grouped as terrestrial, aquatic, amphibian, arboreal, and aerial animals. Name the following. Name few animals that have a hard shell to protect the soft part of their body when attacked. Examples are crab, tortoise, etc. Name an animal that changes the shape and size of their body when attacked by enemies. It is the puffer fish. Answer the following questions. What do you mean by color protection or camouflage in animals? Answer. Color protection or camouflage in animals is the way in which the skin of animals change its color or blend with its surrounding to protect themselves from their enemies and remain unseen to the animals they hunt. It is difficult to notice them easily among the plants where they live, feed and reproduce. Example, polar bear, white coat. Stick insect, it is shaped like a twig. Leaf insect resembles a leaf. Chameleon changes its skin color to suit its environment, etc. Adaptation in behavior. Answer the following questions. What do you mean by hibernation? Answer. In winter, some animals go to sleep for a long period of time in underground caves or burrows. They do not eat food during this period. They use the fat that has been stored in their body during this time. This process is called hibernation. What do you mean by estivation? Answer. Some animals in the desert go to sleep for a long time during summer to save water. This behavior is known as estivation. What do you mean by migration? Answer. The animals move to a suitable climate where food is easily available and where the conditions are favorable for reproduction. This periodic movement of animals to a favorable place and back to the place from where they moved is called migration. Example, salmon, whales, swallow, etc. Name the insect that migrate from Mexico to Canada each year between the poles, but only their babies are able to fly back. It is the monarch butterfly. Now guess the animals, children. I have a hard dome-shaped shell which helps me trick my enemies. It is tortoise. My sharp claws and strong limbs help me to hunt for my prey. It is lion. I have fur as white as snow and a large body. It is a polar bear. I have stripes in my body to help me hide in the tall grasses. It is a zebra. I have thick skin and long feet. I store food and water. It's a camel. I fly to faraway land in winter and return as soon as it is spring. It's a swallow. I change my color to the color of my surroundings. It is chameleon. I have long limbs to move from one branch to another. It's a monkey. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon.